How to fix this story is unavailable on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing this problem of this story is unavailable in just one individual story, then that might be because that person has already deleted the story or Instagram has banned their account. But if you're facing this issue in every story that you click on Instagram, then that might be the issue with your Instagram app itself. To fix this problem, you want to open up your settings and scroll down and find the apps. From here, you want to find Instagram. Now, the first thing you want to do is tap on force stop. Now tap on OK and then force stop the Instagram app. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Then, if you remember the password of Instagram, tap on clear data as well and clear all the data of Instagram. After doing this, you can simply open the Instagram application and this issue will get fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you can simply report this problem. To do that, you can head over to settings and privacy and simply go to help and then tap on report a problem. And once it has been reported, Instagram support team will help you fix this issue. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.